Hello and welcome to my channel, Lookem. I am Frank. For the first episode of this series, we will have a look at the Leatherman Squirt S4. The Squirt S4 was released in 2002 and retired in 2010. This is one of my favorite keychain tools made by Leatherman. And you, what is your favorite Leatherman keychain tool? Let me know in the comment. S is for scissors, and 4 for the 4 accessible outside tools. All the tools are accessible from the outside without opening, which makes it more practical and usable. Accessibility of the tools is a key feature on a keychain tool. Quick access, quick job. The clip point blade is identical to the micro one. It measures 1.6 inch, 4 centimeters. It is made of stainless steel, 420 HC. It's an easy to maintain and sharpen steel. It is a good little blade, and it is long enough to make the kind of things we are waiting from it. Cut small things, open a parcel, etc. Scissors are spring-loaded. It is the same spring mechanism than the micro scissors. They are practical, but they are not as effective as the ones found on Victorinox keychain tools. The mechanism is pretty ingenious and interesting. It uses the 2 opposite springs in each half of the handles. The Boss medium flat and Phillips screwdriver is not the best tool of the Squirt S4. The pointed ank doesn't make it the best Phillips screwdriver I've ever seen, and that doesn't make it better as a medium flat screwdriver. The ruler / nail cleaner / nail file has its flaws too. The ruler is really short and barely usable for small measures. The curve in the shape doesn't allow edges before 1 centimeter. A shame on a tool meant to measure small things. It is virtually useless. Nevertheless, nail cleaner and nail file makes both a good job. The tweezers have their own clear plastic slot. They look a lot like the Wenger tweezers, and they make a very good job with splinters. The clear plastic makes the tweezers very secure in its slot. I have never lost one in more than 20 years. These tweezers are far more convenient than the attached one on the micro. The flathead screwdriver is a good tool, but the bottle opener is so small that it is difficult to use. You'll need different trials to get rid of a cap. The small screwdriver is really good and useful if you wear glasses. The keyring attachment can be folded if not used. You will have first to take off the ring. That makes the Squirt S4 even smaller in a purse or pocket. In a nutshell, the Leatherman Squirt S4 is a good little keychain tool to have with your keys. It has some minor flaws, but it makes the job and will avoid you a lot of trip to the toolbox. Just remember that the S4 is a keychain tool, not more, not less. In the next episode, we'll have a look at its brother, the Leatherman Squirt P4. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe and hit the bell button. What do you think about the Leatherman Squirt S4? Let me know in the comment. I am still Frank, and you are still watching Lookem. Bye!